Good morning, friends. Myself Srishti Korwarkar from class 8C. It's my science assignment. Topic is common human diseases caused by microorganisms. I hope you all know that there are some human diseases common. They are just common, but they are human diseases that are caused by microorganisms like dengue, malaria, typhoid, hepatitis, tuberculosis, chickenpox, polio, and etc. But in this video, you're going to see about the three common human diseases that are caused by microorganisms. The three diseases are tuberculosis, chickenpox, polio. Let's see what are the particular vaccines for these particular diseases. Tuberculosis vaccine, Bacille calmette guerin. Chickenpox vaccine, varicella. Polio vaccine, IPOL. Let us see what is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. It is an infectious disease usually caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Yes, friends, it is an infectious disease because it gets infected through a person to the person, and it is caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis generally affects the lungs but can also affect other part of the body. Yes, first it will affect our lungs and then it starts affecting to the other parts of our bodies. What are the other names of the tuberculosis? The other names of tuberculosis are pulmonalis, great white plague. These both are the other names of tuberculosis. Speciality, infectious disease. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease because it gets infected through a person to the person, through air, through water, etc. Symptoms of the TB, tuberculosis, chronic cough, fever, cough with blood, mucus, and weight loss. These are the symptoms of the tuberculosis. Causes, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Yes, it is caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Risk factors, smoking is the risk factor of tuberculosis. Vaccine, Bacille calmette guerin. Death, in death rate in the year 2018, 1.5 million patients were died in the year 2018. See, friends, how it is caused to our lungs. Tuberculosis, it get caused to our lungs. Next, we'll see about the chickenpox. Chickenpox is also known as varicella. It is caused by the initial infection with the varicella zoster virus. Yes, it is caused by the infection with the varicella zoster virus. The disease results in an characteristic skin rash that forms small itchy blisters. Yes, it is caused on the skin. It is caused on the skin rashes with the small itchy blisters. It is usually starts on the chest, back, and face. Yes, it starts on the chest and then it starts on the back and again on the face, and it spreads to the rest of the body. Afterwards, then it spreads throughout our body. What are the other names of chickenpox? Other name, varicella. It's a specialty. It is an infectious disease. Yes, of course, it will also get infected through a person to person. Usual onset, 10 to 21 days after exposure. It means that when once it get caused, it started on our body, it will be for 10 to 21 days. Duration, time taken to form on our body is 5 to 10 days. Causes, varicella zoster virus. Chickenpox is caused by the varicella zoster virus. Vaccine is varicella. Deaths, 6,400 people per year. Per year, the death rate of the chickenpox patients will be 6,400. Here you can see how the chickenpox are. You can see this pimples like, and these are in circle oval structures. These are called as chickenpox. Next, we'll see what is polio. Polio is poliomyelitis. It is commonly known as polio. It is an infectious disease caused by the polio virus. Yes, it is also an infectious disease. It is caused by polio virus. It affects the central nervous system and there is a muscle weakness resulting in the flaccid paralysis. Its weakness is in our muscles. This can occur over a few hours to few days. It means that it may remain for few hours or few days. It may be for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, etc. The weakness often um, involves the legs. It involves in our legs, but may less commonly involves the muscle of the head, the neck, and diaphragm. Mostly, it will cause pain or weakness in our legs. First of all, it involves in our legs, but it will less involves in our muscles of head, neck, and diaphragm, and many people fully recover. Yes, poliomyelitis is a disease that people gets fully recover by this disease. About 2 to 5% of adults and children die. Yes, about 2 to 10% or 2 to 5% of adults and children get died due to poliomyelitis. Other names of polio are infantile and paralysis. These both are the other names of polio. Speciality infectious disease. Yes, it is an infectious disease. Symptoms muscle weakness resulting in an inability to move. Yes, its weakness is it does not make us to move. It if we move, we feel we are loading some heavy things. It weakens our muscles. Usual onset few hours to days, means it may be causes as for few years, few days, few hours. Causes poliovirus, it is caused due to the poliovirus. Vaccine is IPOL. Vaccine is IPOL. Death rate 5 to 10% by year. Yes, every year there will be 5 to 10% of death due to poliovirus. You can see it's in his leg. I said no, it involves most in the legs, not in the other parts of the body. First, it will weakens his legs. It is in his legs only. You can see it. Thank you.